Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how do you launch a AWS Internet Gateway. In the previous videos, we learned how do you deploy VPC and how do you deploy subnets. So for this video, we are going to learn how to deploy VPC Internet Gateway. So for this, we have to define the resource. Define. This is the comment I'm putting over here. Internet Gateway using AWS CloudFormation. For this, go to google.com. Let me close all this. So go to google.com and search for this AWS CloudFormation reference. Okay. The first link will go to the AWS CloudFormation reference. In the left pane, you can see template reference. Under template reference, you can see resource and property reference. Just go through this and somewhere you can see AWS EC2 reference. Go through this. This is the one. You have to click on this. Okay. So this is the EC2 resource reference. And scroll down, you can see AWS Internet Gateway, right? This is the reference documents. You have to open and let it open this document. And so we are going to create our template using YAML language. So I'm going to filter YAML language over here. Okay. So for the Internet Gateway resource, the type of resource is this one. And properties for this one is tags. There are no properties for this Internet Gateway. And properties, if you see, these are the properties. Okay. So go to the syntax and copy this one and put it in your template. So first define the name of Internet Gateway resource. Okay, I'm putting my activity Internet Gateway. After the put colon and enter and define the type of resource. This is okay. After that, properties. Okay, now go to the document again and go for the example of this one. So here you can see tags, how to define the tags and everything. So now you have to copy tags and define here. Tags is a combination of list, right? So that's why we are going to put the hyphen symbol here, and tags is the combination of key value pair, right? So first you have to define the keyword and give the name for this one and value for this keys. You can put any name over here. Here I'm going to create my Internet Gateway keyword. Okay. Now after that we have to attach this Internet Gateway to VPC, our VPC. So again go to reference document. Okay, we already opened this document. Now we have to click on Internet Gateway attachment. For this, you have to click on VPC Gateway attachment. Scroll down. Somewhere you can see VPC Gateway attachment. Just click on this reference document. Or in the same Internet Gateway, you can see somewhere use the VPC Gateway document. Here also you can find this one. Okay. The same document I opened over here and I put it the filter for YAML. Now I'm going to define the VPC gateway attachment. So I'm copying this type of resource. I'm define the name of this my VPC gateway attachment. Type of resource is gateway attachment. So you can define any resource name here, not a problem. So after that, again go to the document and check for the what is the next. So for these properties of this gateway attachment is we have to define the internet gateway name and VPC ID, for which VPC we are going to attach this one, VPN gateway ID. This is not required, and go to this example of this one. Okay, so we are attaching only internet gateway, right? So that's why this is enough to write properties. We are not attaching any VPN gateway, only attaching internet gateway. That's one we are going to take this one. We already defined the name of gateway resource and type of this one is already completed. After that, we have to define the properties of this one. So properties. After that, what is the VPC ID we have to reference, right? So define the VPC because we are attaching this internet gateway to our VPC. That's why we have to refer VPC ID. Okay, just copy over there using the intrinsic function reference. You have to refer our internet VPC. So this is the my VPC. I'm going to refer here and attaching my internet gateway to this VPC. So when you define reference keyword, it will get the logical ID of this VPC. Okay, and assign this property to this VPC ID. Okay, that's why reference function will be used. After that, what property we have to check? Internet gateway. Okay, we have to internet gateway where to the traffic has to flow. So already we defined my internet gateway, right? So here again we have to use the reference function and define this internet gateway. So this resource is going to define the internet gateway, and this gateway attachment resource is going to attach this internet gateway to VPC. Okay, so after this, save this. Let me explain this one. So first we have created one VPC and we name it my activity VPC, right? After that, what we have done? We have created one internet gateway. Okay, the name of this one is my gateway. Okay, my gateway. After that, what we done is gateway attachment. What is the use of this one? This will attach this internet gateway to this VPC. Okay, now go for the execution. Open the aws.com and search for the cloud formation. When we open this, this will be opened. Now we have to click on this create stack template, upload a template and choose the file of this one. So somewhere I written over here. This is the testing ML. Open it. Let me show you the one testing.ml language, the ML template. I'm referring the same template over here and click on next. Property I have somewhere is. So I was done some mistake. Properties. So this is the mistake I was done somewhere. Okay. Let me upload it. First of all, close me this error message and choose file and this testing YAML I wanted to upload. Okay. After that, click on next. Okay. Now we have to assign the stack name. This is for testing IGW. Click on next. So keep all these values, permissions, stack values as it is. Later videos we can go and discuss. Now, as of now, click on next button. After that, hit the submit button. Now the execution of template is started. Just click on refresh button. Okay. So this events section is going to show what are the resources is going to be executed. Means the template execution events will be showed over here. Okay. Again click on in. So now we can see the create complete. That means our stack is completed creating all the resources. Okay. So we can find out the resources. What are the resources created under resources section? Okay. First, what it is, VPC is created and subnet is created, internet gateway is created. First, let me open this. First, close all these document references and open this VPC. So this is the VPC I have created, right? Go to tags and this will give you everything. This is the logical ID we defined in our template, my activity VPC. After that, VPC is created and you can see the internet gateway for this. Go to check internet gateway and my IGD, my IGW. See, let me search by my VPC, then you can easily understand. See, my VPC I filtered. After that, I can see my IGW internet gateway, which is defined in our my activity IGW. Sorry. See the value and a tags I was defined the name and a tags I defined in my IGW. Okay, that's why it is created my IGW. Let me go through these tags. You can identify this. See my IGW, right? This is the tag name we defined in our template. This is the activity. My activity IGW is the resource name. This is the resource name, logical ID. Okay. After that, let me show you VPC gateway attachment. Because we have to define this resource, because we have to attach this internet gateway to our VPC, that is my activity VPC. Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching. After that, we have to delete the stack immediately. Otherwise, the AWS will charge some more charges.